What's up? I'm Silverback Male, content creator, radio personality, and most importantly, coffee enthusiast. And you tuning into my show, Sipping with Silverback Male, where we travel all over the world tasting coffee. And today we are at... Yep, that's right. We're in Virginia, and I am back home. I am in Williamsburg, so I'm close enough to home, about a city away, but I'm in Williamsburg. And I am at Aromas Coffee. I brought some friends with me, Silver Cat and Silver Fox. Let's go enjoy some coffee before we melt. So we got a toffee by the sea, a maple banana, and a caramel cold foam. Everybody's gonna try it and they're gonna rate it. I'm gonna go last because I'm usually doing the coffee reviews. I got my interview mic and I'm ready to do some work. So stand by. Hit a transition right here. Tell the people what you have.
I have the the maple banana latte.
All right, give it a shot.
It's iced. I like it. I would give it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. 7 out of 10, ladies and gentlemen. And we're gonna move over to Silver Fox.
Hello.
Hello, tell us what you have.
I have a toffee by the sea.
You don't have to lean into the camera or the mic. It can hear you. Toffee by the sea.
Let's taste it. Oh, I like it. I'm a toffee girl, and it's a little salty.
Oh, is it? Yeah, they put salt on the top of it.
Oh, it's good. I give this 8.5 out of 10.
Would you prefer it cold?
No, I like that the foam got a little melty in the drink.
Okay.
It tastes good.
Would you prefer your drink hot?
It would be good hot as well. I think the hot with the banana probably, yeah, it would be better. All right, now what do you have?
I have the Caramel Cloud Cold Brew.
Okay.
I'm nervous on camera. I am the host. I like how it looks. I like how it looks. It's definitely aesthetically pleasing. Kind of like the environment here. Do you smell it like wine? You supposed to smell it? It smells good.
That's why it's good.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Hold on. That's good. And I don't even like cold brew. I'm not a big fan of cold brew at all. I'm not gonna say hate, but I'm just not a big fan of cold brew. It's not too sweet. I don't know what this is at the top. Some type of cream.
Caramel cold foam.
Caramel cold foam. The caramel cold foam at the top is delicious. Chef's kiss. For this, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. The coffee review was good.
It was. This is really
And the flavors were delicious. So coming back is a must.
Yes.
I guess it's safe to say that the coffee is, you know.
Café Robusto.
I was waiting for them to break out. But the flavors are definitely robust. So it's your boy Silverback Mill and
Silver Cat.
and
Silver Fox.
and we're definitely stamping off Aromas World Coffee in Williamsburg.
Oh.
Williamsburg, Virginia.
Virginia.
Williamsburg, Virginia.